Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ponk coin. Now the Ponk coin just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 29th. Now this is a combination of two meme coins, Pepe and Bonk, and so now we have Ponk. The Bonk coin was very popular on the Solana blockchain, a Sol meme token, and so is this one. So this Ponk coin is on the Solana blockchain and just got this brand new central exchange listing today. We're going to go over the information on the Ponk coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Ponk coin, their Twitter, you can find at Ponkcoin, and I put that right on the screen right here. It says, Ponk the Frog of Solana. Join Frogtopia here. Has a link to their Telegram at Ponkcoin on Telegram. They have a full link tree right there, and on the link tree there's tons of links, so you could get this token off of their own swap, which is called Ponk Swap. They have a link to their Telegram, their Twitter. You can get this token off Jupiter, Raydium. You can get it with Ethereum off of Mayan Swap. Deck screener charts on here, Bird Eye chart. They have Ponk NFTs on Magic Eden. They're listed on CoinGecko. Their website, Telegram, Twitter, and their Soul Scan is all available on this link tree here that you can find on their Twitter. And it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be listed today, January 29th at 5 o'clock UTC time. The Ponk coin will be listed on Poloniex. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Poloniex account, you can download Poloniex from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with a USDT, go into the trade section and search PONK, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So according to CoinGecko, just went over to their CoinGecko chart, this token is up 75% right now. 24-hour trading volume is $117,000. Fully diluted valuation is $2,656,000. It says total supply of this token is 100 trillion tokens, and that is also the max total supply. Now, they have the contract address on Twitter, on CoinGecko. They have it on almost all those links, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye. Coin market cap is coming soon, it says. And they're on Jupiter. So on their webpage, if you go over to Ponkcoin.com, they go over how to buy in a decentralized way. So it says either create a Phantom or Soulflare wallet using either a desktop computer, iOS, Android, or mobile device. This will allow you to buy, sell, send, and receive Ponk. You can also use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase, Coin98 wallet, any decentralized wallet that has Sol. Then you can buy Sol from an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, etc. And then it says connect and swap. Go to Jupiter, jup.ag, and connect your wallet using the Connect wallet, selecting on the Phantom wallet, and then press select the token, enter the contract address, and then trade your Sol for Ponk. And if you have troubles doing this, go over to their webpage, ponkcoin.com. It'll guide you through step by step And basically you follow the same steps for, Raydium or Bird Eye or whatever decentralized exchange you're getting the token from. Or you could just use Poloniex. So it says their tokenomics, over 70% Ponk total supply was airdropped to active Solana wallets and communities. These airdrops are completely free and no purchase is required to receive them. Any tokens not airdropped will be burned step by step. So it says 0% taxes. It says verified contract on Jupiter and Bird Eye. And it says they've already burned 42.5%, which is a lot of tokens. And at the bottom of their page, you can contact them, send them a message by putting in your email, name, and message. And then they have a roadmap section on here as well, starting with phase 1. They created the contract. Then create liquidity pool, burn LP and tokens, airdrop 3,000 active Solana wallets, $2 million market cap. Then we got stage 2 CoinGecko listing, 6,900 holders. Then ponkswap.com. So if you go there, you could use their own swap. CoinMarketCap listing is coming next. Exchange listings, collaborations with several partners, 25 million market cap. Step 3, Frogtopia. Bonk and Ponk announcement. So I guess they're going to try to be partners with Bonk after they get big. Then we got 10,000 holders, 75 million market cap, and then more coming after that. And also they have a link to Swap on Mayan on their webpage as well. Now it says combining Pepe with the biggest and most loved meme coin on Ethereum with Bonk, the major meme on Solana, to bring everyone together with Ponk. Unlike the majority of competitors, Ponk is purely a community token. There's no fake promises by the team, only a mission to finally bring fun and liquidity back to Solana. Ponk is meant to bring fun to the community with no expectation of financial gain. All airdrops are paid for by the token deployer. All airdrops are 100% free. Mint authority has been revoked. No new Ponk can ever be created. Now, if you go over to their DEX tools chart, they should have a quick audit on here. You could check that out. Okay, it looks like there's no warnings on the quick audit. So Quick Intel just does a quick audit on DEX tools. It says no honeypot, contract is verified, no mintable tokens, and it says also that there is no other risks. So that's just a quick audit though, so just be aware of that. But yeah, they have a total market cap right now of $1.43 million, $96,000 in liquidity on Raydium, and it says they have 32,590 holders. So they are doing extremely well holder-wise, and they just got this brand new central exchange listing today on Poloniex. So go check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.